Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Middle Sinclair. Let's begin by setting up your account, which typically takes less than 5 minutes. Once logged in, you'll find the user interface is designed for intuitive navigation. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard, where you can easily locate key features and essential tools. This initial step ensures a smooth and productive experience from the very start. Now, let's dive into the core functionalities of Middle Sinclair. You'll learn how to effortlessly create and manage new projects, keeping your work organized and on track. The platform offers robust data input and analysis tools, allowing you to process information with precision. Plus, collaborating with your team members is streamlined, ensuring everyone stays connected and productive on shared tasks. These features are central to your daily workflow. Ready to unlock even more potential? Middle Sinclair provides advanced reporting and analytics options, giving you deeper insights into your data. You can also personalize your experience by customizing your dashboard, tailoring it to display the information most relevant to you. Furthermore, the system allows for seamless integration with many other essential applications, enhancing your overall productivity and workflow efficiency. Discover how to make the platform truly your own. Finally, let's cover some important troubleshooting tips and best practices. We'll help you identify common issues and find quick, effective solutions to keep your work flowing smoothly. Implementing best practices for data security is crucial, ensuring your information remains safe and protected at all times. Remember, if you ever encounter a challenge, comprehensive support resources are readily available to assist you every step of the way. You're well equipped for success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.